Get ready, because number 1 of 6 in the creatures is El Toro Loco in the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series here in 2018. And there have been some changes, because the last time El Toro Loco of this color been out was back in 2016 with the Stunt Ramp series. So we're going to take a look at El Toro Loco and unbox him. On the back of the box, you got the recrushable car, how it's supposed to pop back up. So here we go with the Mad Scientist and Epic Editions, Shocker, Flashback, Titan Epic Editions, King Crunch Flashback. Then we have Son of a Digger, Tour Favorites, El Toro Loco Creatures, Alien Invasion Tour Favorites, and Mega Rex in Creatures. Set that aside. El Toro Loco comes with this blue station wagon designed recrushable car. We'll bring El Toro Loco into the arena, and like I said, this is a little bit different design for El Toro Loco, and we'll show you right now. It has the BKT tires. Now on the truck itself, El Toro Loco is, the wording is where it's supposed to be now. The Monster Jam logo with the new design of it is where it's supposed to be. Now they have the Hot Wheels logo right there. And they have some flame job right there. And you know, on the side I could never tell if that's supposed to be fur or if that's supposed to be flames coming on the side. But anyways, maybe you can let me know what it's supposed to be. But whatever it is, actually I saw a picture on monsterjam.com, and this is now more correct than the one in 2016. And so the fire is supposed to come right to the teeth of El Toro Loco. So they have never gotten that straightened out yet or corrected. Coming to the front, has the nose ring, and there's the flame job. Length wise, it's not as long. And I'll show you the other truck because I'm going to get it here real quickly. Here's the other side. And the back. So let me get the 2016 El Toro Loco and we can look at the differences. So here's the 2016 version of El Toro Loco. Take a look at the flame job or the Ford, whatever that is, from then and then until now. So you can see the difference with that. So there you can see the difference of the length of the flames coming out from his snort. And I don't know if you can tell this, but I just realized that this spot right here of the truck is a little bit darker colored than the rest of the body. So on the back, you can see there where it has no flames at all, and now they have flames on the back with the name of the truck. And here's once again the side of the truck, old design, new design. So that does it for this unboxing and review for El Toro Loco. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that you're enjoying these unboxings and reviews from the Monster Jam series here in 2018. Please let me know down in the comments, and thank you for watching.